today I'm going to show you how to clean your MAF sensor and your MAP sensor, which is right over here in a N55 F15 BMW. And the primary reason for that is I need to get rid of a cold start issue. So if you're having this, this might be a good time to clean it. And let's get started. First thing, we're going to pop the cover up. So let's do that. And make sure you don't lose the little grommets. So let's get that out. Flathead. Make these loose. Bolts. One here. One here. Let's get that. Alright, I'm not sure if I caught it on camera, but disconnected the sensor. And then there it is. Okay, cool. Alright, now we got the map, and let's clean it. We don't want it should just pull up. Oh, there we go. Be very careful. Here we go. Now we're going to cover this top with a little masking so we don't get it. And our mask roller cleaner. We're starting with it. Now, let it dry. All right, next is the MAP sensor. We're going to clean that as well. It's just right here. This should be a lot easier. I want to see. Try to find out how to. There we go. That's off, and then that should be again two of all these torques. There we go. Here's the MAP sensor. We'll do the same. Just making sure we don't get anything in here, and we'll use the same cleaner. Okay, and let it dry. All right, we're back. It dried. Make sure when you put the sensor back, you align the holes right here, and then gently. Just do 3 counts. Sure. Okay, let's put this back in. I'm going to start with that. Let's get it plugged in first. All right, we got that, and it's on the stud. Now next, back the airbox. Looks good. get back in here again. I'm gonna put the sensor back gently, and the 2 screws. First, get the back. Gremlins, go back. That's it. Like,
we're not ready to touch the sensor and everything else and get it recalibrated.
yeah.